Hello. Today, let's talk about you. If, for instance, you are stuck in a day job that is 9 to 5 and you are no longer enjoying just getting up and doing work in a meaningful manner, if, for instance, you are over 50 and retirement is looming, I am also addressing myself to you if your lifestyle is such that you require additional income. If you fall within that category, this video is for you because it is going to be giving you a strategy way out of the quagmire I have described. I'm Linda. I've been there, and that is why I am sharing this information of getting out of an untenable situation and doing business in such a manner that there is no risk, that there is freedom, but there is income. I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? There are two models in business. It's either you sell a tangible product. It could be household goods from a needle right up to desks, etc. Or you could be selling goods and services, or your time, it's service. Now, with affiliate marketing, it's very simple. On behalf of a brand, you promote goods and services. If there is a sale, you get a commission. That is all. You do not need to have an office and have elaborate infrastructure and staff if you are still a startup business. So it is risk-free and it is affordable. Why risk-free? Because as an affiliate, everything, even the regulations, are absorbed by the brand that you are promoting. With you simply you market, you bring business, you get a commission. That is why I decided that today, as we are looking at alternative ways of making additional income, let me talk about affiliate marketing because it has added a lot of value for me as an affiliate of Launch You. There is my website, in the description below. I invite you to actually visit my website so that you see how affiliate marketing is promoted. And as far as I'm concerned, it's even easier these days to be a digital affiliate marketer, because what that simply means is that you need access to the internet, you need a laptop. The rest you do online anywhere in the world, at any time you choose, and it is easy. These are joys of automation as we have entered the digital age, that automation is making things faster, easier, and very enjoyable, actually, when you begin to be in it. It is not complicated. And as far as digital affiliate marketing is concerned, many people usually ask me, what do I do? What do I need? Let us start with what you need. As I've indicated, you simply need a laptop as well as access to the internet. And then Launch You, of which I am an affiliate, and I've invited you to visit my website in the description below, will guide you so that you see how to proceed, but it is worth proceeding. What do you do? As I indicated, you promote goods and services. You promote a brand like Amazon, Google, Apple, Starbucks. There are many others. The brands that do the heavy lifting for you. All that you do is to promote, and you get buyers. They are directed to the brand. You get your commission, and that is all. That is why you can do this business anywhere at any time. Once this business is rolling, there is passive income even when you are fast asleep, because sales happen. After all, those are the joys of being automated, that automation doesn't sleep. As far as capital layout, it is negligible, because depending on the strategy you adopt to market, it is much better that you start in a very simple manner and not outlay capital as if it's going to work or do the heavy lifting, because you are the brand. Depending on how you come across, you will make a sale, even if it is one sale. So that is why I am sharing with you what I have experienced, that the budget, if any, is minimal, because you are the brand. So, as I indicated, affiliate marketing is risk-free. That is why I decided that as we are exploring ways of making additional income, ways of making sure that at least you consider another way of doing business in such a way that you are free, you free your time to do things that you enjoy with family and friends anywhere at any time. Digital marketing is the way to go. You do not need to be technologically savvy to start. When I joined LaunchU as an affiliate, my skill I just was not technologically savvy at all. However, the support I received, as well as the community support and the videos by Stuart, have really given me wings to fly. And that is why I am talking to you with confidence that as long as you come on board and you are committed, that's very important. You are committed to make the new journey work, as sky is the limit. Digital marketing is here to stay. Globally, there are estimated 8.2 billion people. So I am usually confronted by questions. I'm not ready, or I think it's too late to go this route. No. That is why I am sharing that currently, globally, there are 8.5 billion people. Therefore, you can get a 0.0009 slice or one of that market. The market is there, the opportunities are there, because people are in pain. They want to be moved from ground zero to being right up where they live a transformed life. So the time is not an issue. The time is now, depending on your frame of mind. And that is why I come to address the belief, this voice that says to you, I'm not ready. If you are not ready now, that is a lost opportunity, and time moves forward. It just rolls forward. There is never the time that actually gives us opportunities in history. Time rolls like an everlasting stream. It just flows forward. I know that I was one of those people who kept on saying, I'm not ready, or it's late. I am way above 65. And as I've indicated, I was technologically ignorant and not skilled at all. But today I am enjoying what I do because of automation. I have even published my first ebook, and I invite you, it is free by the way, I invite you just below to press and visit the ebook. It is free of charge. My next ebook is going to be published in a few days' time, and I am addressing affiliate marketing in detail. And as soon as it's ready, I will let you know, but it's not going to come free this time, particularly because the proceeds will also go to support the charity that is very close to my heart in early childhood development. So it's not going to be free. So as I've indicated, I decided to share this experience because it has added a lot of value, not financially only, even when it comes to self-development. If you would have asked me last year in June whether I can even make a video, I was terrified. I couldn't even look at the camera. I do research now. I have the support of a global community, and it is sheer joy to be part of a global community and discuss matters of business and discuss health matters and discuss self-development and discuss wealth, the expanded definition that I have been sharing with you. So I have grown and I have expanded in such a way that I am even excited to share this information with you, so that if you catch on, that it also adds value to your life, to your dreams, to your aspirations, and it is easy. Digital marketing is easy as long as your mindset is committed to actually make your business as an affiliate marketer work. There is no risk. The budget, if at all, is minuscule, and the rest, the heavy lifting, is done by the brand you are promoting or the items that you are promoting, including the service. It may be coaching that you are promoting. So I'm inviting you to be confident, to consider that if I can do it, you can do even much better and flourish when it comes to business. Do visit my channel and click at the description below. You will visit my website and treat yourself to my free ebook. It is for you to share and comment, for that matter. I do look forward to your comments. Thank you very much. And if this channel is adding value, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe so that I continue to make videos and share knowledge, wisdom, experiences with you. Thank you. Thank you very much.